Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us on today's webinar titled Beyond the Basics, Working with Complex Project Plans. My name is Stefan, and on this 15-minute webinar, we'll be discussing about what distinguishes Seavus Project Viewer from competitors and some of the features that have made it the leader on the market it is today. For those who are with us for the first time or are simply not familiar with project viewers as a category, here's some introduction to the concept. Project viewers are software solutions which allow team members and project executives to open, view, and analyze Microsoft project files without having Microsoft Project installed on their computers. It is a practice accepted by almost all Fortune 500 companies and other project-oriented organizations by now, including BMW, Ford Motors, Airbus, Westinghouse, and many others. The emergence of project viewers comes from the two main user groups usually present in any project-oriented organization. Users who create the project plans, like the project manager, and users who only need to review and analyze the information in the project plans. We'll be calling these the team members. A project viewer is a solution for the second user group, the viewers of the project plans, and it provides them with a set of views and additional features which we will be reviewing soon. Generally, project viewers reduce licensing costs in organizations substantially and enable a vast number of users who are able to view the information in the way the project manager intended it. Seavus Project Viewer is a standalone, low-cost software for viewing Microsoft project plans, and it's suitable for all project-oriented organizations, from small and medium to large enterprises. As the title of the webinar itself mentions, it's one thing to work with basic MPP files, which of course Seavus Project Viewer does, but things tend to get a little more complicated when you have, let's say, a password-protected file or a master project plan containing several project plans. Sitting alongside me is Mr. Boyan, who will help us explore some of these features in Seavus Project Viewer in more depth. Boyan, I would like to leave the floor to you now. If you can please take over.
Hello, everyone from my side as well. Thank you, Stefan. Today on this webinar, we are going to cover two very important things when it comes to working with project plans. The first one is working with master project plan, which covers more projects inside a program of tasks. And the other one is working with password protected files. Regarding the password protected files, nowadays most of our our clients, and as you, most of the companies are working with very sensitive information when it comes to the project plans, and they want some of those files to be forbidden to some of the team members or to someone who has access to that specific project plan, and to keep that information only for certain group of people. For that reason, Microsoft Project has invented the password protected files, which allows the companies to insert password to some of the projects and to restrict the access to the some of the accidental users. When it comes to the password protected file, Seavus Project Viewer has implemented the option to open it, compared to the others that are not in a position to do that. So the Seavus Project Viewer supports opening password protected files. I'm going to show you how that is being done. I have one project plan, which is password protected file, and I'm going to open it. First, I'm going to insert wrong password so that you can see that that specific information will not be presented if I insert wrong password. Protecting the files is very important for the project plan, since the companies are working with a huge number of tasks and a very important information. If they do not have this specific feature for protecting the files, maybe they are risk to lose some of the information, and maybe give the information to the ones that do not have to have that specific information. So I'm going to open this specific file. As you can see, the Seavus Project Viewer says that this password protected.mpp file is protected. I'm going to insert a wrong password so that the audience can see that the Seavus Project Viewer will not open the file and the sensitive information of the file if you insert the wrong password. The Seavus Project Viewer shows that the password is incorrect. I'm going to retype the normal and the right password to this specific file. And as you can see, I got the password protected file open, and all of the information will be available at this specific view. This is one of the features. The other feature that we want to present is when you want to work with master projects. Working with master projects is very useful for a lot of companies, since that they're combining all of the projects that they have and that they're somehow interrelated into one project. Some of the tools are not opening the master projects, and so for the Seavus Project Viewer is since it's a leading viewer on the market, it has that capability to open every project with all of the information from the project plans created in the Microsoft project in a master project plan. I'm going to open one master project now so that you can see how the Seavus Project Viewer opens the master project. This is one master project file, and as you can see here, we have 4 different projects within the master project. All of the information from the projects are available in the tasks view with all the details from the task view and the Gantt chart on the right side. So this is one of the projects. I'm going to open the project number 2, and I'm going to open the project number 3, and the other project benchmark file in MSP 2016. And you can see all of the information is available here as well. The other thing is, when you work with master projects, you can also use the different views from the Seavus Project Viewer, like the network diagram. You can see how all of the information from the network diagram is showing. Also, the task sheet, all of the information from all projects will be available here as well. As you can see, the first one, the second, the third, and the fourth. Then the task usage, which is showing how the tasks are being used with all the work completed. And moreover, the timeline view, which is showing, let me just cancel the split. And now I'm going to go to the task usage, the timeline, the tracking Gantt, and here is the tracking Gantt view, which is showing and allowing the users to track the information and all of the projects and their projects details, as you can see at which stage the tasks and task information they are. So that is for the tracking Gantt. I'm going to show you now the resource graph about all of the resources that you have in a project, the resource form, then the resource shifts. Here we have the resources, their names, the type of that specific resource, and all the details for those tasks attached to it, like the maximum units used, standard rate, cost usage, and so forth. Then it comes the team planner with all the resources and the activity, the tasks that they're assigned to. And from the more views option, you can choose among the different views that we support. As we said previously, the previous webinars, we support working with all 27 views which are supported by Microsoft Project. The other thing that I'm going to present is the project information that you can get for a specific project. It can be found in the project view. There is also project statistics view, which gives you statistics about the project, reports comparing project and project information about that specific project. This is very important for the users, since if they want to get general information about the projects, they can get by using the Seavus Project Viewer and with working with master project plans. The other useful options that we implemented in Seavus Project Viewer are the reports. When you go to the reports, among the others, there's the project overview, which gives information about all the projects that you have in a specific master project file can be viewed in the project overview. So in the project overview option, you get information about all 4 projects that we have implemented in the master project file. You can see the software development plan, project number 2, project number 1, and benchmark file. All of the information is available here for viewing, and at the all of the details and all of the activities at the bottom part with the resource names assigned to that specific activity. This is for the project view. Then when you go to the costs, there are different views for the cost overview, cost overruns, resource cost overview, and task cost overview. I'm going to use, for example, the task cost overview, and you can see that in the task cost overview, you get information about cost status for all 4 projects in the master project plan. So these are the the reports for the costs, the dashboards, and the resources. Generally, these are the most important subjects that we wanted to cover. I hope that the companies will find the benefit of using the Seavus Project Viewer as a market leader with over 13 years of existence on the market, where we implemented those 2 features when it comes to the password protected files, which we are allowing the users to protect the information that they want to, the information that is very valuable for them, and the working with master project plans, which allows the users to get general information and all the tasks, activities, and details about the project plans that they work on. Stefan?
Thank you, Boki. And as we're pushing the 15-minute we have set out for today, I would just like to thank everyone for attending. I hope that we were able to assist you and present some of these features in more depth. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us, and we'll answer all of them separately. I would also like to invite you to follow us on Twitter and Google+ for future news and offers regarding Seavus Project Viewer. We'll also be having a lot of webinars to come, so make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive all of them. Also, I would like to point out, for those who are interested in trying out Seavus Project Viewer for themselves, we do offer a free 15-day trial available at seavusprojectviewer.com. And moreover, from some of our other solutions, if you are by any chance using Oracle Primavera P6 in your company as a solution for project and portfolio management, I would like to invite you to try out that solution as well. It is available at www.primaverareader.com. Thank you for everyone for attending.
Thank you, and thank you everyone from my side as well.
We look forward to seeing you on our next webinar. Bye.